Uh, Third question, first one. Okay, so remember, always when you get the equation, to find out you have to bring the constant this side. So it becomes 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. Here bring the constant this side, plus this that side, so this side will become minus 2x minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. Okay, so now before that, let's read the question. On comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. First one. So I will be doing first and the third one. The rest three you can do as homework, okay? Because it is very simple. I am not going to take much time in this. Okay. So first we have to find out what is a1. So a1 is first equation, x coordinate, okay? A stands for x coordinate, 1 stands for the first equation. So this is 3. b1. Again 1. So first equation, y coordinate. Nothing is there, so that means it is 1. c1 first equation minus 5. Now here a2 first equation coordinate. Second equation coordinate x coordinate, so 2. b2 second equation y coefficient. Sorry, I was saying the name saying coordinate is actually coefficient. Y coefficient minus 3. And c2 is second equation y constant, that is minus 7. So now divide everything. a1 divided by a2, 3 by 2. b1 divided by b2, 1 by minus 3. Okay. So now you see, now these two are not equal, right? That's what we saw. So a1 divided by a2 is not equal to b1 divided by b2. So what is question here? State whether the linear pairs are consistent. So now this is all that we have, but in this there is nothing consistent, no inconsistent, right? So whenever that you get a solution, whenever you get an answer, then it is consistent. Okay, so here we are getting a solution, so it is consistent. Here also we are getting solution, so it is consistent. And here we are not getting any solution, so it is called inconsistent. So if you get an answer for a question, it is called consistent. If you don't get an answer for the equation, then it's called inconsistent. So here it is a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 is, you get a solution, so it is consistent. So you write the pair of linear equations are consistent. That's all. Now the third one, the rest you do as homework, okay? Because it is simple only, no? Not really. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Is equal to 7. Here this is 9x minus 10y is equal to 14. So first, as soon as you get, what do? You bring it to one side. 5 minus 7 equal to 0. This 9x minus 10y minus 14 equal to 0. Now you can, there are many ways to do it. One easy way for us is to take LCM here. So 3 to 6, right? So you multiply this by 3, multiply this by 2, and multiply this by 6. Okay, so 3 3s are 9x plus 10y minus 7 6 are 42, and the denominator is 6 equal to 0. Now when 6 goes to the other side, it becomes 0. So 9x plus 10y minus 42 is equal to 0. Now you have to write what is a1, a2. So from here you can easily write what is a2, right? a2 is 9, b2 is minus 10, and c2 is minus 14. Here a1 is 9, b1 is 10, and c1 is minus 42. So now what will you do? You have to divide a1 by a2. So a1 by a2, 9 by 9, you get 1. Is it right? Yeah. Now next is b1 by b2. So b1 is 10y, 10. But b2 is minus 10. So again you get here minus 1. So is it equal? It is not equal. So a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So which means Not equal to means it is consistent. So the pair of equations are consistent. That's all. With this third chapter is over.